Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by connecting directly to the ONU console so you control the environment. Plug in the serial or USB to serial cable, confirm the COM port, and set 115,200, 8N, 1 unless the vendor specifies otherwise. Once done, open your terminal emulator and log in with admin credentials. If you cannot log in, try default vendor creds or a password reset method. Make sure the firmware file is on your PC and that you have a stable power source for the ONU. You need to interrupt the boot sequence to drop into the bootloader prompt, typically by pressing a key shown during startup. Once in, configure network parameters or serial transfer settings. This is why you set a static IP and gateway earlier. Then invoke the appropriate receive command, xmodem-rx for serial or tftp/ftp put for network, point to the firmware file name, and begin transfer. While transferring, watch progress and never power cycle. If transfer stalls, abort and retry with verified settings. After transfer completes, you will write the image to flash using the bootloader write or upgrade command. Follow vendor syntax precisely because a wrong partition can brick the device. Once written, reboot the ONU and confirm the new firmware version, check system logs, and run a connectivity test to ensure services come up. If something goes wrong, re-enter the bootloader, attempt a retransfer, and restore a backup image if available. One key troubleshooting tip is to verify file checksum before transfer to avoid corrupted images.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.